The economic recession caused by the pandemic has hit the women-heavy service industries harder. It's quite possible that the greater percentages of the newly unemployed are women. Even for those who still have jobs and are working remotely, there's no saying if they will return to the office. Many companies have re-evaluated their overhead costs only to cut down on office space. Some have already announced plans to shift to more permanent work from home arrangements. Well, after the pandemic, taken long term, female productivity is bound to suffer from all the distractions of children, housework, and domestic disturbances. Well, do you think this is going to make them more dispensable to their employers, the women? The post pandemic world, it may mean smaller, more claustrophobic, and more hemmed in lives for women. It could mean that women will be out of work and unable to earn the money that would allow them ordinarily to provide for their families or gain social independence. Are we heading back to predominantly male spaces in public and commerce? Will women be the last resort when employers, institutions, and the state throw up their hands? Strap up, woman. She used to be primarily a great mom, keeping a tight check on the kitchen, staying just so in his shadow. He worked hard to provide for the unit, a loyal husband, and an indulgent father. A perfect family portrait, but for one latent difference. This portfolio stemmed from himself and hers from around her. He was the center of his own universe, and the world around her was the axis that she circumvented. He was the doer, she the pleaser. He had expectations, and she mostly did the adjustments. And no, neither of them were villains. They are products of a self-perpetuating social order. It's so deep and time-tested. It's been taken as given. Of course, there have been major shifts in gender-based roles, but the foundation has remained more or less the same. So guess what? We are coming around a full circle. Thank you, Tiny Virus. Women had come a long way, but her middle name looks like it's back to being adjustment. The walking on eggshells and biting the tongue is back in place. Food, shelter, clothing, and security will be seen to compensate enough for a lifetime's devotion to one man and his family. And the children, they better stay on track, because if they don't, that will be seen as her fault too. Hold on, the sky is going one way again.